All right, all right, all right. We in Tia's kitchen. She's whipping up something new that I ain't never seen before, but it look good. So what do we got here?
Sauce and cheese.
That sauce you made up yourself?
Yes.
All right, all right.
Homemade sauce.
Homemade sauce.
Yes, it is. And with inside of the stuffed shells is cheese and a little bit of spinach. And yeah, with my special sauce.
Okay, okay.
And then I put cheese on top.
All right.
That is 8 cheeses in there.
8 different cheeses.
Yes. And I use taco cheese as well.
Okay.
So it comes in a pack.
All right.
Italian seasonings.
All right. We're gonna see what this come out like when it's done. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, peas. Oh boy.
It's ready. I let it sit for about 10 minutes
Okay.
so the cheeses can all melt together, and then we're ready to eat.
All right. Taste test next. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. That is good. Amen.